So we got a question right here. A point charge is placed at point X as shown. Add lines to the diagram to show equipotential at intervals of equal potential difference. Okay, we have been given point charge. Now we know that as we are closer to the point charge, which is X, the basically the line, the equipotential lines is smaller, right? The distance between them is smaller. This distance is basically smaller, right? Once you get farther, it becomes weak. Electric field strength gets weaker, right, as you go further from the point charge, right? So this basically becomes further. You have to make a further and a larger one, a large and a further, basically further from these two. Basically this distance and this distance should be not the same. They should be like, it should be clear enough that these two are different distances, because as you go further, the distance of the equipotential also changes, right? So as you go more further, this basically becomes, this is an example, I might have not drawn it correctly, but you have to make it enough that you can see the difference between these point charge. Like basically, let me draw it also here as well. This is a small one, right? This is a big one, right, with a bigger distance between the X particle, and then you can make it more bigger and more bigger and more bigger, right? So basically like this you're gonna draw for your question number 12 part A.